So guys, we will be combining and compiling the whole game in this video. So let's go through with the events, last events, that the remaining events. So the 13th event is that we want that when the pistol strikes the food, then the food will be destroyed and we get one life. It means that we can get one life when pistol strikes the food. So how we can do that? So add event, go to the pistol, that is bullet, and next, and when the bullet strikes, that is on collision, so there is a property on collision with another object. So let's select the object, that is food. So on collision with the food, what do we want to do? We want that the food gets destroyed. So click on food, click on next, and select destroy. Food will be destroyed. And then what we want to do, we want to add, go to the system, and we want to add to life. Life is a variable, so we want to add to life. Done that. Want to life, and then we want the text, life text. We want to set the life text to life. What does it mean? That when the life is being added to or incremented to 1, then we will set at the same instant the life text to uh, that life variable. So let's go to this set, mm, set text. So you have to go to the live text. Okay, so go to set text. This is the property. So you have to set the text to, don't make changes with that. After that, after the quotation, these quotations, you have to uh, use the ampersand, that is and after that you will use the variable uh, symbol, that is life. Okay, that is life. Add that, click on done, set text that, and we want to create the food again, but we have to wait for some time. So how we can do that? We will go to system, we will go for wait, and we will wait for approximately 5 seconds, and then we will go to system again and create that object again. Create that object. What is the object? It is food. We will create the food again at layer 1, and the coordinate should be, yes, this is important thing. We want the object, the food should be created at different positions. When, for example, it is being created at random positions each time it is being created. So how we can do that? You can go to x coordinate and go to random. We use the random function, and we will go for 630, that is layout size, anything between 0 to 630, and we go to random 180, that is, it is somewhat half position of the layout. Okay, 0 to 180, this is what we want. Now we will add 14th event, is that we want then that when our food is goes outside the, because food is a bullet, food has a bullet property. So if it goes outside the layout, then what do we want to do? We will destroy that, because we don't want it to be in the present in our game, because it will create our processing flow. So how we can do that? Click on food, and then click on that, click on is outside. Yes, go for that, and add action. What do we want to do? We will destroy food and destroy that, and we will wait for some time and create that again, because there are two ways of destroying the food. There, first is with bullet collision, and another is that when it goes outside the layout, and second is when it goes outside the layout. For example, go for system. We will wait for some time. System, and then wait for approximately uh, 1 seconds. Okay, and then add action. We will go to system again and create object, and what object we want to create? That is food, and we want to create it on layer 1. We want x to be as random as we have placed above, that is random 630. Okay, and then random 180. Okay, done that. Now we have placed everything that whatever we want. If you run the game and play, you will see that some of the cool stuffs in the game, and you will see that it becomes somewhat functional and looks good. So you can see that this is your game. So you can see that your the life has increased to 4. Okay. Okay, your life has increased to 5. In this way, we will do what we want. But we want our score to be displayed. So how we can do that? So we want the total score that we have earned in terms of distance should be displayed on the screen. So how we can do that? So for that we have to create a text area, that is this. Click on that text, select that, and click on say it as score. Let's say it as score. Enter that, and we will place it here. And go for that. Click on properties, and then go for text. In the initial position, the score is 0. Okay, and it is visible. Make it large as you want. Make it bold and make it large, because score should be large, and make it any uh, font family as you want. Don't make it so large, because otherwise it will create some obstacles in between. Make it as 18, and then go downwards and make it as center. Okay, vertical alignment as center, and go downwards, and then horizontal alignment as center. So now it looks like that. So now you can see it as your game. Okay, so this is your game. So let's click it again and change the color for that. So we will change the color to be uh, the color we want. We make the color to be red. Let's make that, or any color we want. Blue. Let's make it blue. Okay. So it is the score text. Now where we have placed this thing, we will change the every tick. It is checking the distance, and it is changing that for us. So we will add the action. So what things we want to change, that is we will go to that portion, and we will change the text. For example, we will go to this portion, we will set its text to uh, we'll go to this, we will set its text to round. I will tell you what is the meaning of round here, and we will go to total distance. Round here means, as here you can see that total distance is what? It is adding block.bullet.speed into dt. So you can think of that if all the things are multiplied, that is block.bullet.speed, that is block's bullet speed is multiplied to dt, that is small interval, then what happens? Then it will create some decimal values, but we don't want the distance to be shown in the decimal values. We want it to be something integer. So we will do that by using the round function. So in round function, we have passed the total distance as an argument to the round function, and it will uh, make it as integer. Done that, and now the text will be shown here. If you run the game again, you will see that property being working. So let's run the game, see what happens. So now you can see that it looks cool. Okay. Okay. It's looking cool, and it is not disturbing. For example, if I will collide with the text, it's not disturbing with the game. Okay. So this is cool thing. I'll go backwards, and I will make some few changes into that. Is that there is a good things of life, and then we have changed this thing. So let's see some more changes. So in the next video, we will add sounds to our game because they are the heart of the game. So we will add the sound, and after that, our game is being finished with that. So in the that's all for this video. We will see how the sounds are being added in the next